up, fish guys? For today's video, we will go to our pond for a harvest on our fishes, you know, like tilapia. So we'll go there and check what is going on right now. Okay, so let's go.
Dalawa? No. Dito na lang.
Sige, hindi magaan. As you can see guys, they're already starting to get the fishes right there.
So what are you doing, guys? English only, please.
Oh my God!
Akan yung talo dyan.
May janitor! Ipakita mo nga ba?
Akan yung talo dyan.
You see, there are already invasive species here. You have the janitor fish or the pleco. They already invaded our ponds. We also have barbs here. See, this is a type of barb.
This is
This one
whale.
is...
This is a whale.
This one is a snakehead, guys. You see, it's also invasive here. It's a snakehead.
You know butande? You know butande?
Yeah,
Here.
We have some sort of carp here. This is carp, the local carp.
Carp? Carp pa lang yan eh.
Carp nga, di ba? May bunog pa. Dalagang buto.
English talaga eh, no? Ay, isang-sabli nyo dito.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pleco. There are big. These are invasive.
Ayaw nyo makarating ko eh.
This is an isolated pond. And we don't know how
Nowhere.
they came out of nowhere. This is our clinic cottage. Say hi guys! Hi! Yeah. Let's check them out.
May mag-isa ni Kira.
Tita, marami ka na nakuha?
Doon kami mabuntun te, maurno nga nalain te.
Tingin nga. Lapit mo dito ah.
Nagado nga janitor fish na ana.
Kaya nga daddy. Eh, dapat wala sila dito. Paano sila nakapunta dito?
Yung paglaki ng ilog.
Invasive yung mga yun.
Pwede na ba?
Nakaakyat pa sila dito sa atin.
Pwede na. Ato yun, yung pinakadakti.
So they will continue here on the other side, guys. We also have fishes here, guys, which they caught earlier. These are tilapia. Oh! Andiyan ka na pala, tita.
Sige na?
Sige. They are putting it here so that they will not die easily. so we can prolong their life. This is how we catch fish here using a net. Then there will be a guy there to, he will scare the fish right there to go here. They will corner the fishes there, and he will scare the fishes right there so that they can corner the fishes using the net. And now they will try to check if there are some fishes trapped in the net. 1-0. Hindi na shoot. Nyamit din.
Tentu isulak na ala.
Adayo, adayo. 1-0. Naidunk na. And there's the other one. They have to remove all of the bigger tilapias because they will eat the fry. Nice one, Pot. Oy!
Ako nang lalapit. Sayang.
3 points. Malalaki yan, no, tita?
Maliit. Kanina ka.
Ay, tayo magturo tayo pagpagpan.
Buhaya talaga. Oh, that's a big catch right there by Lolo. Laki yun, ah.
May isa lang ang agaton. Ako ng agaton.
Unfortunately, guys, we cannot join them because of our eczema and our hands and feet. So sayang. This is the catch, guys. You see, there are size of my palm. Say hi, tita. Hi.
Ada mo ka buwan ng discover.
Yeah, they caught a catfish right there. A catfish. Tita, lapit mo nga dito.
Singilin na ka.
Ha?
O, igaman ka lang.
There's a catfish. Right there. We will continue the catch and I will give you a tour here on our paradise. Let's go! We have lots of water lettuce here, guys. Yeah. And water hyacinths. They have beautiful flowers though. See? So this stream is very long. Actually, it is extended over there. Actually, we have 3 ponds here, so this is the first one. Second one is right there, and the other one is on the other side. This is the land of our grandfathers, and it's such a blessing we have a land like this. This is what it feels like, guys, living in the province. Yo, Pochi!
Uno.
Tito, what are you cooking? What's that?
It's a whale.
Uy. Yeah, it's tilapia. Anong tawag na dito sa ano na to?
Paksiw.
Paksiw.
Paksiw to? Hindi ko maunig na. Ay?
Nick.
Sinabi niyo mag-isuka? Blue. Sinabi mo daw yung suka?
There's a lot of ginger.
Ni?
Sinabi ko suka ka.
There we have plantation of fruit-bearing trees, bananas. Most of them are bananas. Have mangoes right there, avocado. Here is the other pond. If you're wondering if there are snakes here, yeah. There are so many snakes. This is the outflow or the overflow. This is the overflow of the pond. This is the outflow for the drainage. See, there's the pipe. This is the other pond. There's an island there. Little island. We can set up a mini kubo someday. Someday. Those are the plans. Little eel right there, guys. So small. It's an eel. I hope he can survive. Let's check them out, guys, because they catch something big. This one is big, guys. See, that's big. We also have a janitor fish here again, and this one. Go, Joy.
Oy, oy, oy. Tumaod nila ni Ampot.
Ako na namaman.
Umay da ka ng tito.
Magsagan na kayo tapos makamutbigay.
We also got some gourami here, guys. Wait, let me catch that. Yeah, this is a 3-spot gourami. See, it has a violet color. Violet, and it has a spot. It looks violet. So we let that swim. I have so many catch.
Alang sarap sis. Ang
watching.
Please like and subscribe for more videos and hit that notification bells.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you on our next vlog.